Exercise 2.1. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. The collection of all months of a year beginning with the letter J. First one. Capital anyone. Capital A equal to capital B equal to capital C equal to anyone. Take capital A equal to January, June, July. J months beginning with J. January, June, July. So A is a well-defined set. The collection of all months of a year beginning with a letter J is well-defined. So it is well-defined set. Second one, the collection of 10 most talented writers of India. 10 most, actually number of most talented writers of India actually, but here 10 most, it is vague. It is a vague, V-A-G-U-E, vague. It is a vague. So it is not well defined. 10 most talented, it is not defined. Not well defined, so it is not a set. Actually 10 not. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of India. 11 best cricket batsmen. Actually best cricket batsmen, number of batsmen, 11 best cricket batsmen, it is not well defined. So third one, not well defined, so it is not a set. The collection of all boys in your class. Suppose in our class total 30 members, boys 14, girls 16. So it is a well defined. All boys in your class, it is well defined, so it is a set. The collection of all girls in your class, it is a set. The collection of all teachers in your school, it is a set. Okay. The collection of all even integers 2, 4, 6, 8, so it is a well defined. It is well defined, so it is a set. Second problem, A equal to 0, 2, 4, 6, 3, 5, 7, P, Q, R. Then fill the appropriate symbol. Suppose 0 belongs to A or does not belong, symbols belongs to, does not belongs to, in the blanks. 0 belongs to A. Okay, 0 is one element in A, so belongs to. First one belongs to. 0 is one element in a capital A, so it is belongs. Next, 3 belongs to 3 belongs to C. 3, there is no 3. 3 is a number, belongs to C. Here having P, Q, R, no 3, so 3 does not belong, symbol does not belong to C. Next, capital B. Capital B 3, 5, 7. Here given 4. Capital B having 3, 5, 7. Here having 4. So does not belong to. Capital A. Capital A 0, 2, 4, 6. Here having 8. So does not belong to. Next one. P belongs to C. P belongs to C. C. P. Okay. P is an element of C, so belongs to. B. B having 3, 5, 7, so it is 7, an element, so belongs to. B 3, 5, 7, so belongs to. Next, express the following statements using symbols. The element X does not belong to A. Here symbol using does not belong to X does not belong. This is the does not belong to symbol. Does not belongs to, only symbol using does not belongs to A. This is the X does not belongs to A. D is an element of the set. One element. D is element of set B. So D belongs to B. D belongs to B. D is element to B is set. D is an element of set. D belongs to B. 1 belongs to the set of natural numbers n. So 1 belongs to n. 1 belongs to n. 8 does not belong to the set of prime numbers P. 8 does not belong to symbol, using symbol does not belong to P. State whether the following statements are true or false. Suppose actually prime number 5 is a prime number or not? Actually prime number. Here given symbol does not belong to. Actually 5 is a prime number, belongs actually, but here given does not belong to, so false. Actually 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime actually prime belongs to. Actually given does not belongs to given, but so it is false. Actually 5 belongs to prime, belongs to actually. Here given condition does not belong to, so false. S equal to 5, 6, 7 implies 8 belongs to S. Here S is a set having no 8. So actually 8 belongs to S. Actually 8 does not belong to S. Can here given 8 belongs to S, so false. Here having 5 belongs to S, true. 6 belongs to S, true. 7 belongs to S, true. But 8 belongs to S, false. 8 belongs to S, false. 5 belongs to S, true. 6 belongs to S, true. 7 belongs to S, true. But 8 given, that is false. Minus 5 does not belong to W. Whole numbers. W means whole number. Minus 5 is a whole number, not actually. It is not whole number. It is not whole number. So it does not belong to. So it is correct. W is the set of whole numbers. So it is true. Does not belong to W. W means whole numbers. Minus 5 does not belong to whole numbers. Does not belong to. So it is true. 8 by 11 belongs to Z. Z is the set of integers. It is the P by Q form. It is the P by Q form. Rational numbers. Actually rational number. So it belongs to Z, not actually it is the belongs to Q. It is a true. Belongs to Z. Z is the integers. 8 by 11 actually rational number, but given belongs to Z integers. So it is a false. Write the following sets in roster form. Already given, already told. X is a natural number less than 6, below 6, less than 6. Less than 6 means below 6. Less than 6 means below 6. X is natural number. Less than 6, below 6. 1 comma. Answer 1 comma capital B equal to, write anyone. Here given B is a set 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma less than 6. Here write, take 5, only 5. Here only less than or equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, less than or equal to, but only less than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, only less than 5, only less than or equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. X is a 2-digit natural number such that the sum of its digit is 8. Its digits, sum of its 2 digits, 1, 7, 2, 6, 3, 5, 2 digits, but this sum is 8. This such that the sum of its digit 1 plus 7, 8, 2 plus 6, 8, 3 plus 5, 8, 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 3 same here 1771 1771 2662 3553 44 4 plus 4 8. X is a two digit natural number 2 digits numbers, but its sum of its digits is 8. 1 plus 7 8, 2 plus 6 8, 3 plus 5 8, 4 plus 4. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 16. Divisor of 16. 2 30s okay, but prime numbers compulsory. First 60 2 okay, 3 2 30s, 3 20s, 4 15s, but here given prime numbers 4 5 6 7 8 not 9 not 10 12 15 next 60 15 16 17 18 20 okay. Next 60, but here given x is a prime number, only prime numbers 2 okay, 3 okay, 4 not prime, only prime numbers of 2 comma 3 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5, only 2 comma 3 comma 5 prime numbers. Divisor of 60, the set of all letters in the word B, E, T, T, R, only once write B comma E comma T comma R, B comma, not repeated write, but only once write B comma E comma, only once T comma, not repeated T, only once R, already E, already write, only once write. Write the following sets in the set builder form: 3, 6, 9, 12. It is a multiple of 3. X such that capital A equal X such that X is a multiple of 3 and X less than 13. X less than 13. Below 13 means 12. Multiple of 3. 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 threes, 3 fours, but X less than 13 below. Next 2 4 8, 2 twos, 2 ones, 2 twos, 2 threes, 2 fours, 2 fives. X is a power of 2. X is a power of 2. X is a power of 2. This is the power of 2. Suppose 2 ones, 2 twos 4, 2 threes 8, 2 fours 16, 2 fives 32. But here given X is a power of 2 and X less than 6. X less than 6 means below 6 means 5. X is a X such that X is a power of 2. Power of 2. X is a power of 2. X less than 6. This is the condition. Here X less than 6. Only 5. Less than 6 means 5. Next 5 25 5 square 5 cube 5 power 4. X such that X is a power of 5. X less than or equal to X less than 5. X less than 5 below 5. Suppose X is a power of 5. Suppose 5 4 is 5 for 1 5 square 5 cube 5 for 4. So it is a X less than 5. X less than 5. Only 4 5 4 4 6 25. So X less than 5. 1 4 1 square 2 square 3 square 4 square 5 square, all are squares. X such that X is a square of natural number. X is a square of natural number. 1 square 2 square 3 square 4 square 5 square 10 square. X is a square of natural number. X less than or equal to 10. Here X less than or equal to 10, right? Less than or equal to 10. y 10 also 10 square. X less than or equal to 10 or x does not greater than anyone correct. X less than or equal to 10 or x does not greater than here, right? X less than or equal to here, x less than or equal to here, x less than or equal to 10. Here x less than or equal to 10, right? Simply write x is a square of 1 square 2 square. X is a square of natural number x and x less than or equal to 10, right? List of the elements of the following set in roster form. X is a natural number greater than 50, less than 100, 51, 52, 53 dash 99. Less than 100 means below 100, 99. Greater than 50, 50 greater than 51, 52, that is below 100, 99. X is an integer, x square equal to 4. X square equal to integers minus 2 comma 2 minus 2 comma minus 2 whole square 4 plus 2 whole square 4 minus 2 comma 2. X is a letter in the word loyal. L comma 0 comma y comma a. L not repeated, only once write. L not repeated, only once write. Match the roster form, set builder form, roster form. 1 2 3 6. X is a natural number and divisor of 6. 1 6 2 3 3 2 6 1, so divisor of 6. 2 3. X is a prime number and a divisor of 6. X is a prime numbers compulsory. 2 3. Next math m comma a comma t comma h comma e comma, and this is the mathematics where x is a letter of word. Mathematics only once write. M write, a write, t write, h write, e write. M already repeated, a already repeated, t already repeated, I already c yes. Next 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 7. X is an odd natural number less than 10, below 10. Odd numbers 1 3 5 7 9.